what's really nice about alt trails. It alerts you and bings when you go off route, and then you can silence it, right? If you want to intentionally go off route. So right now we're going off route to go look at the bridge. The sun's right there. Uh-huh. Oh, it's dry, huh? That's a long way down. So just jump up. There's water! Water! Oh, wow. I didn't realize the echo. We made it to the bridge, guys.
Looks like it's been washed away, though. Looks like there's a piece of it right here.
Oh,
right
it got broke.
Yeah.
There it
Like
is. It must have been an intense flash flood.
some shit happened.
We're gonna go to the water.